Amanda from AJ's Cakes. I'm going to show you how to make some gum paste roses today. So first you're going to need some wire. The wire that I purchased is from Wilton. They have a pack of a couple different sizes of wire. I use the thickest kind of wire, and then in there they also have your florist tape, so you just wrap your wire with florist tape. Before you begin, here I have my first stage. This is my wire that I wrapped with florist tape, and then I have my teardrop shaped that I'm going to show you how to make. This is your very first step for your teardrop or your cone, whatever you want to call it, but your first step for the gum paste rose. So that's your wire. So first of all, you want to get a size, mix your gum paste with fondant, mostly gum paste, or you can do all. I feel like it's better to use fondant and gum paste together. So I have red, so I mixed a ball. I rolled a ball this size. This is the size you want it about. And then you want to take your gum glue adhesive, which is gum paste mixed with water, and then you mix it up and then just put the gum paste in there and let it dissolve. I have mine in here in a bowl. And then you just want to take your needle nose plier and then just bend kind of bend it over with your, just bend a little hook on the end. Of course you're not going to have two, but I'm just showing you this side. So bend just a little hook and then put it in your water with your gum glue adhesive. And then you want to get your teardrop shape going, so you just want to roll it kind of like this. Just want to get your teardrop shape, and then it's about what you want. And then we're going to use, to start off with, we're going to use a circle cutter. This is a Wilton product. And then you'll just want to put your teardrop and insert it in the end. You want it pretty skinny at the top. And then you want to measure to make sure that it fits inside there. Okay? So that's what you want it to look like. So this is mine that dried overnight. So now I'm going to show you the next step. So the next step is you want to roll out some circles with your circle cutter. These are my circles that I already rolled out. You want them really thin as you can get them, even thinner than 1/8 of an inch. And then put them underneath. I just have a little plastic. This is a Wilton product too, but I just have a little plastic. It's thing that it just fits underneath your practice board. And then you want to just get your thin foam, and then you want your thick foam and your ball tool, great ball tool, and then you want to put them on your thin foam, and you want to roll it half on the gum paste, half on the thin foam. So I'll show you. And you really want it to like kind of ruffle up and curl, but you kind of have to press hard for it to do that. So it's kind of what you want it to look like. You want it to ruffle on the edge of that. And then you take it, flip it over, put it on your thick foam, and then you cut the center and then pull down. Cut the center, pull down. I'll show you again. Take your circle that you have, and I'll show you guys so you can see, hopefully you can see. So you want to start over here and roll it half on your gum paste and half on the thin foam. You want it to curl just like that. You don't want to go all the way around, just half. So you want it to curl. And then you flip it over. And then you cup it in the middle and then press down. And if it sticks a little bit too much, you can use, mine hasn't been sticking, so it's been fine. But if it sticks too much, then you can just use your powdered sugar or cornstarch and just put that on there so it doesn't stick too much to your ball tool. And then you want to add your little paintbrush, Wilton paintbrush that I have, and then put some glue on your petal. And I never flipped it over, so when I went in the middle, you just go down and then you just add your water right there. Pretty much all around. You don't want too much, but just all around on there so that you can get it to go on there. And then, so here's my cone here. So then you just want to put it on here. You want it about at the same height as your cone. So that's what you want it to look like. Then you wrap one side, actually wrap this side. Wrap one side all the way around. That's what you want it to look like. That's first stage. And you take your other one and put it on the other side. And then that's how it's going to look. Then you're going to take this one, wrap it around. So then you'll be at this stage now. And you want to kind of push those bottom edges under. And then you tuck this one inside here. And you really want to push that inside because you really just only want to see like a little pinpoint inside there. You don't want to see much. You're trying to cover up that point that you had. I'm kind of pushing down the side so they stick to my cone here. I just kind of play with it. This is the beginning stage of your rose, so if you ever look at a rose, you really want it to be pretty much closed in the middle. And make sure that these stick down. And then this is what you want it to look like.